Having trouble connecting your HP Officejet Pro 8620 to Wi-Fi? Follow these simple steps to connect. Step 1. On your printer screen, tap on the wireless icon. Step 2. Tap on the settings icon. Step 3. In the network menu, select wireless settings. Step 4. Select wireless setup wizard. Step 5. In the list of available networks, select your Wi-Fi router. Step 6. On the Enter Your Wireless Password page, tap on the field to enter your Wi-Fi password. Step 7. Enter the password and tap on OK. Step 8. On the Confirm settings, check the information and tap on OK. Step 9. Once successfully connected, tap on OK. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such help and information. Or visit us at www.printertales.com. Call us at 1-857-557-6884. 441615184781.